Hey guys, so we're doing a really quick and easy Wednesday Addams tutorial today. Okay, first we're going to go in with some foundation and we are just going to pop that all over the face, eyes, and even underneath the eyes. No concealer today because I want my dark circles to still be a little bit visible. And then of course we're going to set the face with a translucent powder. And then we're going to go in and do the brows with the Precisely My Brow from Benefit. I chose this product because it really helps make your eyebrows look really natural. And of course, Wednesday has really natural looking eyebrows. Next, we're going to go in with the NYX Cosmetics Pro Contour and Highlight Palette and use the lightest shade, with the matte shade. And we're just going to put that everywhere I would usually use my concealer, just to help bring that paleness through my skin. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade number 7 contour. And I'm going to start hollowing out the creases of my eyes. Wednesday's pretty pale, but she has some dark circles around her eyes, so I was just accentuating that. That's why I didn't use concealer. And I also accentuated the bags underneath my eyes to make the eyes look really puffy. Now you don't have to use this contour palette. You can use a brown eyeshadow, an ashy one, and a white. I just used this because it was available to me, but whatever's available to you will work just as well. I'm also going to put a little bit of a shimmer white on the lid. A lot of photos I saw from the movie Wednesday Addams, she had a bit of white eyeshadow on her lid to make her look a little bit more girlish. And I'm also going to shade in the corners of my mouth to help my mouth really look like it was frowning. I noticed that hers was obviously in constant frown. And I'm also going to do a little bit of cheek contouring. She has a pretty skinny face, so I thought I would just hollow out that as well. I'm then going to go back in with that white shade and blend in the contour with the white, just so I still look pretty pale. And then I'm going to go in with some Bad Gal Bang mascara. Not curling my lashes, not putting any falsies on. I want it to look as natural as possible, but of course I had to put some mascara on. Okay, for lips, Wednesday has some pretty light, like nude orange. I first started with the Kylie Kim cream lipstick in the shade Kim, but it was actually a bit too light for my liking. So I then used the other shade Kimmy, which is also in the same cream collection, and I just felt that on top of the Kim one created the nice orange color that I was going after. Okay, so that's makeup done, but we're not quite finished yet. Okay, now we're going to do the hair, which is really simple. I'm just going to part my hair right down the middle, and I'm going to do 2 kind of loose plaits. They're loose at the top, but then they actually get pretty tight towards the end. I'm then going to go in with a little bit of black eyeshadow and create that really defined point that she has at the start of her part. It kind of gives her a heart-shaped face, and I think that really helped tie in the makeup to see who this character was. Okay, then I cut out 2 triangles out of a bit of A4 paper. I didn't have a white shirt, so if you don't have a white shirt, you can just tuck this into a black jumper like I have, but I would recommend pinning it because it kept falling out. And that is the final look. This was really quick, really easy if you are stuck for a costume idea. This is a great one to do, and thanks guys for watching. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time.